Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make homemade salt egg. Salt egg is very famous in Asian countries like Chinese and Thailand. The famous one is used for duck egg, but today I will use the chicken eggs. By separate two methods and then you can choose both of them. The first method, I will use the vinegar for 3 minutes by put our egg into it and then cover with salt. And the second one is use the vinegar for 3 minutes also, but the different thing is just put in the salt solution. And then we gonna compare both of method that which one is faster for me it. First, let's try for about 7 days and then see how it works for two methods. First, we gonna put our chicken egg into the vinegar for about 3 minutes, both of methods. This one will help to make egg shell to thin, and then the salt can easily to absorb inside. You can see our eggshell is have a little bit of the bubble. It means our vinegar is reaction with the eggshell and then make it thinner. So let's start with the first method. It's the salt solution. After we put the egg into the vinegar for 3 minutes and then transfer to the container. And we need to prepare our salt solution. So we're going to bring the water into the medium size of the saucepan to a boil for 1 liter and add 300 grams of the salt and then make it boil to make the salt is dilute into the water. And then make it cool down and put into our container and put our water back on top to make the egg go down and then cover it for 7 days. And then we gonna make the second method. Use the egg that we put onto the vinegar for 3 minutes and then just cover with the salt like this and then keep it for 7 days. And after that we will comparing between this method and the first method and see how it works. And now it's completely 7 days and see how it works for both of methods. We will boil it for 2 or 3 eggs. So we're gonna write W for make it put in the salt water. And the other one is the cover with the salt, and then we boil it for 10 minutes and see how it works or the taste is good. So let's see, the W is in water and the other side is the cover with salt. This one is the egg covered with the salt powder, and this one is with the salt water. And then let's get taste it. For the yolk egg, it's not really red because we use for the chicken egg. If you use the duck egg, it's better color for this. So start with the egg with the cover with the salt powder. The taste is good. It's salty with the yolk egg and white egg. And let's try another one. For the egg that put in the salt solution is not really salty, and then we need to continue to keep it more time. So this simulation, I can say that if you put to cover with the salt powder, you can use in 7 days. Like this, you can see the yolk egg is more nice color. So let's say that the method that we put in the salt solution, we need time for 14 days. But if you want to urgent more, you can cover with the salt powder and you take it only 7 days. This one is a 2 method and you can choose it. For me, I recommend you to use the first method that we use the cover with the salt powder. It's very fast, just use only 7 days and you can eat it. I hope you give this try for this method. You can use both of them or you can choose just what you prefer. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.